July. But it's the end of July. We're on vacation, so we're actually in Maine right now. We've been here all week. We did our engagement shoot. We hung out with David's family, had a little celebration for him nearly finishing pilot school. So yeah, we've been here for a little bit and we're ending our week with a sailing trip. So figured I would bring you guys along. We are right around where we're gonna be picking up the boat. My dad and my brother are already there. My mom will not be joining us, but we're going to meet them right now. We're gonna go grab some sandwiches for lunch and board the boat. So it's the same boat that I was on a couple years ago, and I vlogged that trip. So if you want to go way back into my vlogs and watch that, you can. I think we stayed a little bit longer that time, but this time a little bit more chill. So just a few days. But we're about to get there, so I will check in with you guys soon. It's day 2 on the boat, and last night I literally didn't talk, but today I'll show you kind of a day in the life living on a sailboat. But last night we literally just got going, got here at our port around 8 o'clock, ate dinner, and then played some Skippo, and then we were all so tired we like went right to bed. So that was that. Slept really well. David crashed before you could even really get ready for bed. But we are out this morning. It's probably, I don't even know what time it is, 10:30, 11 o'clock, and we're just getting going. We just hauled up the anchor. David and Christopher are just rinsing it off as to what you hear right now, but we are off to sail for the whole day and then hit our next destination tonight to stop and sleep. Basically this morning we just got up. My mom made us coffee cake, so we had that for breakfast, and then just got ready for the day, and now we're off. So that's all you missed this morning. We're on our way. I put on a bathing suit today so I can hopefully get some sun, which would be nice. We've seen a ton of wildlife. We've seen 50 bajillion and a half harbor seals. Last night as we were coming in, because it was getting to be nighttime, they were all up lounging in the sun on some rocks along the way, so we probably saw like 30. We've seen their little heads pop up around, and then last night we saw some porpoises, porpoise, and David's never seen them in wildlife. It was really cool for him to get to see. There was a bunch of them kind of popping up above the water last night while we were watching the sunset. We also had a gorgeous sunset last night, and if I didn't get any videos on here, I'll post some videos that I got on my phone and pictures that I got on my phone. I know that much. But it is a gorgeous day. Hopefully we get some good wind again today, because yesterday was a perfect sail. We really didn't have to run the engine much, so that's really nice. But all right, I will talk to you guys when something else exciting happens. Today will just be a lot of getting to where we're going, playing games. I'm gonna color. I bought strings to make some bracelets, and food. What do you think of your first official day on the boat?
Fun stuff, lots of sail, a lot of water, watch boats.
Wow, genius. little tour. We've got the back of the boat, Ted at the steering wheel.
Helm.
At the helm.
The wheel.
We've got a David and a Bubby.
Hello, I am a puppy.
Seats.
I am Bubby. I am Bubby.
The front of the boat. And then you go underneath. And the engine's running, so you might not be able to hear me. But we've got the kitchen, stove, oven, fridge, sink, the bathroom, bedroom number 1. These are all the controls, little desk, our like living area, and then this turns into a big table. And second bedroom, second bathroom. Oh god, the tears are real from the wind. Pretty much what the boat looks like. There's storage everywhere for all your stuff. I'm gonna go fix my face now. Come back. Ah! There they go! Oh!
Something just came up.
Little snack time, bagel and peanut butter. David is driving. It's lunchtime. We've got pasta salad, a cookie, and chicken salad sandwiches. Bubby's at the helm. What is up?
Huh?
What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
I thought you called me a hoe.
No! I said buddy. I said buddy's at the helm. Ted eating lunch. The chef at work.
David's Galley. Come anytime. Open. Never.
Hello. We are officially parked where we're gonna be for the night. I've taken 3 or 4 naps today. It slaps so different when you nap on a boat, like I'm telling you. Especially when it's going, you have wind. Oh, it's so nice. But we're officially anchored down. We're hanging out here for the night. We're gonna get dinner going soon. I think we're gonna have some appetizers right now and play a little game, and then we'll eat in a bit. But for now, we're just hanging out. We've just been hanging out today. Yeah, I sailed the boat for a little bit too, which was nice. It's been a good day. We just caught a school of fish right over here. They keep popping up above the water. There's probably like 100 of them. See their little heads popping up. It's over here. You can see them kind of reflecting. Oh yeah, they're all right in there. Look at them all! Dang.
It's lasagna night.
We just had dinner. We had lasagna and salad, and it was so good. But now it's the sunset, as you can tell from my face, and I wanted to show you guys because it's so pretty. There it is. Gorgeous.
Get what you get.
Beautiful. Sun-kissed Bobby.
I'm just as pretty as the sun.
I would say more.
How was our sailing day too?
It was good.
Yeah.
Not as much sailing as I wanted, but
No.
it was good.
Oh well. Same. It's day 3, the last day. We're going home tonight, but it is a cloudy and drowsy day on the ocean. foggy, very cloudy, kind of rainy. M&M, kind of afternoon. We're in complete fog right now. Can't see anything. Don't act like that. No!
On the boat.
Goodbye, boat. Goodbye, boats.
Yeah.
We're leaving.
Sailing pretty much every
Goodbye, boat. See you later. Goodbye, boys.
Goodbye.
See you later. Thanks for being a
Take
captain.
care. Yep. And
Good captain.
You drive carefully.
We will.
And have a good flight back to North Carolina.
We will. Woo!
Got it.